Horses out, breaking for the lead. It's Do Re Mi, Pure Energy, Reclamador. It's down on the inside, moving up. Terrible Heart, Blondie Budge, Kilagger, and Mogul is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Pure Energy is running by the rail. In the middle is Do Re Mi. And on the outside, moving up now is Terrible Heart. A length back in for the Kilagger, Reclamador, Blondie Budge, and Mogul still racing in last. They swing into the back. Pure Energy. Terrible Art is on the outside. Fighting it out for the lead. Watching in third. Do Re Mi. Kilagger now moving up by the rail. Then followed by Blondie Budge, Reclamador, and Mogul. Pure Energy still in front by Oralenka. And Terrible Art. Do Re Mi now moving up on the outside to take second. Blondie Budge in fourth. Then followed by Reclamador. Then next in line, Kilagger and Mogula. Do Re Mi, Pure Energy once again down on the inside. Terrible Art, Blondie Budge sneaking by the last days. Swing for Roma. Do Re Mi by Oraling, Blondie Budge. Terrible Art is on the outside. But it's still Do Re Mi, Terrible Art. Blondie Budge is down on the inside. But it's still Do Re Mi over Blondie Budge, Terrible Art. And finally, Do Re Mi, Blondie Budge, Terrible Heart, Reclamador. Then comes Pure Energy, Mogul, Kilagger.